How to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut. Want to add cinematic zooms to your edits? Let's zoom in and zoom out in CapCut. So first, go ahead and import your clip. Now, to be able to import a clip, click on this import button, which should basically find at the top left of your screen, and then that will take you to your local drive. Select the video that you want to import, and that will pop into the section. So from here, go ahead and drag the video to your canvas. So once you have added it to your canvas, you should click on the video and then add a keyframe at the very start of the video. So go ahead and look for the keyframe button, which should find at the top right of your screen at the right side of transform under the basic tab of video. So once you have added a keyframe in here, go ahead and proceed on adding the next keyframe. So play the video and then go ahead and pause it on the area where you want to add the next keyframe. Click on the scale button and drag it to right to zoom in, and then go ahead and head over into the next keyframe and add the zoom out by dragging the scale to the left. So once you play this video, you should find a zoom in and zoom out effect on your video, and that is how to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut.